Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we had discussed till question number 4 of exercise 9C. Now in today's video let's start with the question number 5. But before starting with the question number 5, let's discuss some formulas. So the first one is, if they are asking for cost price and they have given selling price or gain percent, selling price and gain percent given hai, then in case of cost price you will write 100 upon 100 plus gain percent and you will multiply it by selling price. This is the formula of cost price. If loss percent is given and they are asking for cost price, numerator will remain same, 100 upon 100. In case of loss percent, put minus sign, loss percent, and multiply it by selling price. Now if they are asking selling price and they have given gain percent, then in numerator it will be 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiply by cost price. Similarly, if loss percent is given and they are asking selling price, then in that case there will be 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. These are some formulas which you need to remember to solve further questions. So let's start with the question number 5. Question number 5 is, find the selling price. Selling price find out karna hai when CP they have given, gain percent they have given. So what is the formula of selling price? Selling price is equals to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiply by CP, right? Put the values, 100 plus what is gain percent? 10 upon 100 multiply by CP is rupees 20. Simply add the numerators, 100 plus 10, 110 upon 100 multiply by rupees 20. 0 to 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out. What do you have now? 11 multiplied 2, it means 22. So this is the selling price. Next part of question number 5 is, cost price they have given and now they have given loss percent, and this loss percent is given in the form of mixed fraction. So first of all, can you write this mixed fraction into the improper? 13 3s are 39 plus 1, 40 upon 3%. This is the loss percent. Now they are asking selling price now. So put the formula of selling price, 100, loss is given, so put minus sign, loss percent upon 100 multiply CP. Put the values, 100 minus 40 upon 3. In the denominator of this whole there is 100 multiply CP. First of all, in rough work we will solve this part. इसको solve कर लेते हैं. 100 minus 40 upon 3. Nothing is there in denominator, so you can put 1. Now these are the fractions. Okay, so while adding or subtracting fractions, you make the denominator same. When you will take the LCM of denominator, this will be 3. So make it 3, multiply this by 3 and this by 3. 100 3s are 300 minus 40 upon 3. So this is 260 upon 3. So put this value here, 260 upon 3. In the denominator of whole this is 100, or you can also write it as 100 upon 1 multiply what is the value of CP? Cost price क्या given था? Let's check. CP was 12.50 rupees. Rupees 12.50. Now in fractions and in ratios you have studied that product of means or the product of inner terms, product of outer terms. So multiply them. 260 will be multiplied by 1 and 3 will be multiplied by 100. Multiply this 12.50. Now remove this decimal and put 100 in denominator. Now simply solve it. 0 to 0 cancel out. 0 to 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. Right? 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number. So this is selling price is equals to 13 multiply 5 in rupees upon, in denominator we have 3 2s are 6. Solve it. 13 5s are 65 upon 6 divided 65 by 6. 6 1s are 6. Subtract 0. Copy down the next digit. ना जाने की 0. Put decimal and take 1 0. 6 8s are 48. Subtract again 0. 6 3s are 18. Again 2. Now this is repeating 2 2 2. So what is your answer? 10.83. And students, this is non-terminating terms. ये completely divide नहीं हो रही है. So we will write it as approximate. Okay. So this is 10.83 and this is the approximate value. Okay. This is your answer. Next question number 6. Find the cost price. They have given selling price and gain percent. So what is the formula of cost price if selling price and gain percent is given? 100 upon 100 plus gain percent. CP find out करना है ना, तो SP से multiply करेंगे. Right? Now put the values. 100 upon 100 plus 20 multiply SP is rupees 12. Now this is 100 upon 100 plus 20, 120 multiply rupees 12. 0 to 0 cancel out. 12 ones are 12. So what you are getting? 10 ones are 10. Right? So cost price is rupees 10, which is your answer. Now the next part, selling price is given and loss percent is also given and they are asking cost price. Cost price is equals to 100 upon loss given है ना, so minus sign will be there and loss percent. Multiply this whole by selling price. Clear? Now put the values. 100 upon 100 minus loss percent is 10 multiply selling price is rupees 360. Simply solve it. 100 upon 100 minus 10 90 multiply rupees 360. 0 to 0 cancel out. 9 4s are 36. So here you are getting 100 multiply 4. That means rupees 400. This is the cost price. Next question. Question number 7. By selling a motorcycle for rupees this. Selling price they have given rupees 23,000. they said dealer gains, कितना gain कर रहा है? 15%, right? So they have given gain percent is 15. Clear? Find the cost price. You know the formula of cost price if selling price and gain percent is given. 100 upon 100 plus gain percent multiply selling price. Clear? Put the values. 100 upon 100 plus gain percent is 15 multiply selling price is rupees 23,000. Now this is 100 upon 115 multiply rupees 23,000. Now calculate it. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0. 23 1s are 23, 0 0 0. So this is 2 1s are 2. And how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is 20,000. So the cost price is 20,000. This is your answer. Next question, question number 8 is the cost price of an article is this. Cost price they have given, which is rupees 6,250. Sudhir sells it at a loss of this. Loss percent they have given 24. Okay, loss percent is 24. Find the selling price. You know the formula of selling price. If cost price and loss percent is given, selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiply CP, cost price. Put the values. 100 minus loss percent is 24 upon 100 multiply CP is rupees 6,250. It becomes 100 minus 24 is 76 upon 100 multiply rupees 6,250. Now calculate it. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Now by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So this is rupees 38 multiply 125. When you will multiply them, you will get 4,750. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 5 to question number 8. And with this question, your exercise 9C is completed. In next class, we will start next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.